Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. If you're also yet to follow me on Telegram, I will put the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the link on Telegram and follow me on Telegram. There you'll be able to get access to some of those information I'll be putting out today. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on gold this week. Right now, if we take a look at this trend, we clearly can see that this is a downtrend move, right? At first, price once range within this level, and we all know that once price is ranging and it breaks out of the probably the resistance level or the support level, price must give us a correction to come test that support level or the resistance level. As you can see, assuming price has broken out of this resistance level, right, we would have seen gold give us a correction to come test this resistance level before it continues its movement upward. But you clearly can see that this is a bearish move. Gold is falling, right? Then one time gold literally ranged within this level, and guess what? Gold broke out of our support level. What did it do next? Of course, this is a correction to come to this support level. And what next are we expecting? More movements down. So basically, we will be expecting more bearish move this week on gold. So we'll be expecting more drop on gold. Now, personally, I'm just saying it personally, I would want to see gold come up one more time, test this level before it actually starts dropping. I don't think this is the best level to actually take your sell. You can probably the level to take a sell will be around 1929. Within that level would be a good level to take a sell on gold. So a little bit of a correction, and we should continue the bearish move downward on gold. So this week, right, this was one of those trades that we took this week on gold. I have actually did analysis on it. Oh, that is to my Patreon subscribers. Those who subscribe to my Patreon channel actually watch the video. I told them that probably we'll be seeing a correction to this same level, and guess what? Gold will be dropping to this support level. So around a level of 1939, you can see it. Gold dropped to this level, even broke below it. So those who still held it long must have grabbed more pips. So basically, if you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If you're interested, then all you just have to do is subscribe to my Patreon channel. By the way, this is the trade on gold you actually took. This is gold, June 20. You can see it's gold. One of an amazing. This is the you can go there to watch it. I'll put the link to this playlist. You can see it June 19 to 23. Once I put the link to the playlist, so then you can come and watch it. And these are a couple of other trades we actually took this week of gold. So you can see WTI. There are some trades that we've actually taken that I've never posted here, by the way. So there are some trades, and some of them are actually lost. No doubt about that. We have win, we have loss, and if you are using about 1 to 3 risks to reward ratio or 1 to 5 risks to reward ratio, that is to tell you that for 5 losses, one win can cover 5 losses, especially once you use 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So basically, it will drop to break even. If you had one win, now to drop to break even, you need to have 5 losses. So if you can cut down your losses, basically you will still end up with profit. So, like I said, if you're interested in high probability trade, all you just have to do is sign up to the Patreon channel. You'll see the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. Click on the link, sign up, and there will be more updates on gold, by the way. More setup on gold, both the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, everything. I'm going to cover it in the Patreon channel. So you can subscribe and you'll get access to those trades we will be taking this week.